Because I worked with the Indian residential school survivors, their children and their grandchildren when I did this project, I noticed a very pronounced theme within each generation of Indian residential school survivors. The survivors themselves talked mainly about the abuses that happened there, and some of them for the first time speaking of it in front of their own kin. Their children, their daughters and sons, they had a tendency to talk about the things that they lost as a result of residential schools. So they talked about the social issues that are in, and the family dynamics that they were dealing with. And it was really easy to see which generation was being affected